Today is all about how to create your own custom CSS for your WhatsApp widget. The goal is to define and design your WhatsApp widget as you want. So let's go here and just check how the widget looks like by default. By default, this is the design we give you with the plugin you can install to have WhatsApp in WordPress. But you may want to change the design, the font, the icon, anything. So in this page we have created some CSS samples you can use to personalize your WhatsApp widget. So let's take this sample, for example. Let's take this code here. Let's go to our widget, and here you have custom CSS where you can paste your CSS that we just take from the page. And now we have a bigger button, bigger font, and the icon is on the left. Now let's say you want to have maybe something like that, 2 colors. The WhatsApp icon is going to be on the right. So we take this code here. We go back to WordPress. We look for the plugin button in the menu. We go to settings, and in settings is where you can add custom CSS. So the same. We paste the code we have choose. We go back to the plugin, and now we have 2 colors, icon on the right, and the green area is going to be for the WhatsApp icon. The blue is a color that we have set in the plugin settings. If we go here to appearance, we can choose, for example, purple. We save the color, and now we can reload. And now we have these 2 funky colors. If you want, that's something you can do. If you want to have something that is simpler, like green and green, we can have a bright green for the text and a dark green for the icon. So now it looks like that. That's fine if you like it. Another example is to have just the icon. This is you may want to have just the icon, so there is no text, and we copy this code. We go back to settings. We search for the custom CSS box. We paste the code, and we are ready to go. Now we just have the icon, and the text is going to pop up after a few seconds. The pop-up is something you can manage. You can define if you want to have auto pop-up or not. This is something you can activate or deactivate. If you want to activate, you can say something like it's going to last just 1 second. So it's going to be pretty much open the moment you go to the website. So if we go here, after 1 second, the widget is going to pop up. If you don't like that, you just deactivate the option. Again, you save, you go back, and you will have just the icon, and that's it. There is anything else. If the user clicks, he will pop up the widget and he will get the information. All these options is something you can manage from the widget settings. You can define position, if it's going to be available on mobile, on desktop, if it's going to pop up, right and left, where it's going to be shown, schedule, appearance. You can change the color. You can use something a bit darker, the font color, the text you're going to show to introduce the icon to your users. I mean, there is plenty of options you can choose and you can define. But today we want to show you that you can use a custom CSS to create your own widget. You can choose, you can edit every element that's on the widget: color, font, shape, elements, shadows, anything you can add with CSS, you can use it to create your own WhatsApp widget. Hope you like it. If you have questions, just send us a message and we will be here to help you. Thank you.